Welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to look at this MIT integration B question. This appeared in the 2023 quarterfinal. So let's solve this integral. So let's start off by splitting this integral into two different integrals. So we have the integral of 1 all over 1 plus x squared raised to the power x raised to the power 2 over 3 dx. That's the first one, minus 2 the integral of x all over 1 plus x all squared x raised to the power 2 over 3 dx. This is how we can split our integral. So I is going to be the integral of 1 all over 1 plus x raised to the power 2 x raised to the power 2 over 3 minus 2 into the integral of this. I can use the power rule. This one is raised to the power 1, and using the power rule that becomes x raised to the power 1/3 at the top, and then 1 plus x all squared dx. I'm going to use integration by parts for this one. So watch. So integration by parts, I'm going to use the DI method, which I have been using in my videos. I'm going to differentiate x raised to the power 1/3. This is plus, the next one is minus, and I'm going to integrate 1 all over 1 plus x all squared. So differentiating this one is 1/3 x raised to the power negative 2/3, and integrating this one is like can do that here real quick. If you have this one is 1 plus x raised to the power negative 2 like this, then we add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. So that is going to be negative 1 all over 1 plus x like this. So this one is going to be negative 1 all over 1 plus x. So multiplying terms diagonally, we don't have to take the integral, but when we multiply terms horizontally, terms on the same level, then we have to take the integral. This has become very trivial now. So that is the integral of 1 all over 1 plus x squared, and then x raised to the power 2 over 3 dx. I beg your pardon, there is the x here, minus 2 into multiplying terms diagonal. That is going to be this term times this term. That is negative x raised to the power 1/3 divided by 1 plus x, right? And then multiplying terms horizontally, we have to take the integral. So negative, negative, when you multiply, that becomes positive. The integral, that is 1/3 outside, x raised to the power negative 2/3 all over 1 plus x dx. Okay, so I is going to be the integral of 1 all over 1 plus x squared, x raised to the power 2 over 3 dx minus minus that become plus 2x raised to the power 1 over 3 all over 1 plus x, and then minus 2 over 3 the integral of 1 all over 1 plus x, and this one x raised to the power positive 2 over 3 dx. So this is what we have. We are now going to combine this integral and try to simplify them out. So I is going to be the integral of 1 all over 1 plus x raised to the power 2, x raised to the power 2 over 3, that is this one, then minus 2 all over 3 into 1 plus x, x raised to the power 2 over 3. That is combining these two integrals into one integral. And then plus 2x raised to the power 1/3, and then 1 plus x at the bottom. I is going to be, we can simplify this one out. What is the LCM of these terms here? The LCM is 3, 1 plus x squared, x raised to the power 2 over 3, right? So dividing this one by this one, what do we have? That is going to be 3. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, that is going to be 3 minus dividing this one by this one, that is going to be the 3's will cancel, and then it will be left with one of this one. So that is going to be 2 times 1 plus x, like this. All this having the integral dx plus 2x raised to the power 1/3 divided by 1 plus x. So I is going to be the integral of, this is 3 minus 2, that is going to be 1 minus 2x, like this, all over 3 1 plus x all squared, x raised to the power 2 over 3 dx, plus 2x raised to the power 1 over 3 over 1 plus x, like this. This 1 over 3 here is like a constant. I can bring it out. That becomes 1 over 3, the integral of 1 minus 2x all over 1 plus x all squared, x raised to the power 2 over 3 dx, plus 2x raised to the power 1 over 3 all over 1 plus x. But what is this integral? This integral is I, right? If we go back up the very top, this is our original integral. That is the same as our original integral I, right? So this one is our original integral I. So we have I to be equal to 1 over 3 I plus 2x raised to the power 1 over 3 over 1 plus x. So we can subtract 1 over 3i from both sides. So we have I minus 1 over 3i to be equal to 2x raised to the power 1 over 3 all over 1 plus x. So subtracting this one is 2 over 3i is equals to 2x raised to the power 1 over 3 over 1 plus x. So we can isolate our I by multiplying both sides by 3 over 2. Multiplying both sides by 3 over 2, like this. So this one isolates our I to be equal to, this cancels that. Now let me 3x raised to the power 1 over 3 all over 1 plus x. So this is the value of our integral. Therefore, the I, which is the integral of 1 minus 2x all over 1 plus x all squared, x raised to the power 2 over 3 dx. This one simplifies to 3x raised to the power 1 over 3 all over 1 plus x plus the constant of integration. So this is the answer to our integral. So that is how I can solve this integral. If you have a better way of solving this integral, please leave it in the comment section and let me know what you think. So anyway, that's it. If you find this helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from Calculus Diaries. I thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.